In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate component in Webflow. If you've ever wanted a second version of a header, footer, or any reusable block without rebuilding it from scratch, duplicating a component is the fastest, safest way to get there. You'll keep the original intact, while creating a copy you can rename and customize. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Start by heading to your Webflow account and opening your Sites page. From your dashboard, open the project you want to work on in the designer. This takes you into the canvas where you can see your page and all of its elements. Once you're in the designer, open the Navigator panel. It's the panel that shows the hierarchical list of everything on your page, making it easier to select exactly what you need. Use the Navigator and the on-canvas highlight together to be sure you're clicking the correct element. For example, you might first click the footer to orient yourself, then move up to the navbar if that's the component you actually want to duplicate. When you select an item, look for the blue highlight on the canvas and the corresponding highlight in the Navigator to confirm you've targeted the right component. With the desired component selected, let's say the navbar, open its context menu. You can do this by right-clicking the component in the Navigator or using the menu icon next to it. Choose Duplicate. Webflow will create a copy of that component so you can edit it independently of the original. When prompted, give the duplicate a clear, descriptive name. Good naming now saves confusion later, especially if your site has multiple component variations. After typing the name, confirm to finish duplicating. You'll see the new component appear in your project, ready to be placed or adjusted as needed. If a quick onboarding or tips pop-up appears while you're working, simply click Get Started to proceed and return to your flow. It won't change any of your settings. Continue focusing on the duplicate you just created. Finally, save your work. Click Save to commit the changes to your project. Saving frequently is a good habit, and once you're happy with your duplicate and any edits you make to it, you can continue building or prepare to publish when the rest of your updates are ready. That's it. You've opened your project, used the Navigator to precisely select the right element, duplicated the component, renamed it clearly, dismissed any onboarding prompts, and saved your changes. Now you can iterate confidently without risking your original design.